Let's talk about the financial proof. This is where many students get rejections in visa or they stuck with the process. And what if your visa is rejected? क्या आप फिर से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं सेम कैश के थ्रू? The answer is hello guys, my name is Vishal. I did my masters from UK and I'm currently living in Europe for the past 2 years. I have started this YouTube channel to share all the informations regarding the latest update, student application process and study visa process of UK as well as Europe to help you a lot for studying abroad. Today I'm talking about the study visa process of UK 2026 which will help you a lot while processing a visa. So guys, you have decided to study in UK in 2026 पर डिसाइड करने से कुछ नहीं होता. You need to know the process. यूनिवर्सिटी शॉर्टलिस्ट कैसे करें, कौन कौन से यूनिवर्सिटी में अप्लाई करना चाहिए. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड वन वीडियो ऑन UK 2026 स्टूडेंट एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस. द लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. अगर आप चाहें आप जाके देख सकते हैं बिफोर वी मूव फर्दर. तो द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड इज योर अनकंडीशनल लेटर फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी और द कंडीशनल लेटर विच मीन्स देयर आर सम कंडीशंस पेंडिंग. दिस कुड बी योर यूनिवर्सिटी इंटरव्यू, डिपॉजिट ऑफ मनी और सम अदर एकेडमिक्स पेपर. जैसे ही आपका ये कंडीशंस फुलफिल हो जाता है, you will get your unconditional letter. I can show you how it's look like just for the reference. Here you can see all the necessary things, the course name, your student number, full year tuition fees. You need to log in through the link and accept the unconditional letter, and you need to pay some sort of money or deposit just for the security or for just confirming that you will study there. Typically from 15 to 20% of your tuition fees, and in some cases the university asks for the interview. After you have done with everything, the university will issue a cash letter, confirmations of acceptance of studies. The cash is only valid for 6 months, which means आपको वीज़ा 6 महीने के अंदर ही डालना है. And what if your visa is rejected? क्या आप फिर से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं सेम कैश के थ्रू? The answer is no. आप सेम कैश के थ्रू वीज़ा अप्लाई दोबारा नहीं कर सकते हैं. You need to ask for the another cash from the university to issue. Next, let's talk about the financial proof. This is where many students get rejections in visa or they stuck with the process. You need to understand very carefully. There are 3 ways you can show the financial proofs. The first, education loan. Second, savings account. Third, fixed deposit. If you are showing them the savings account or the fixed deposit, the amount must be in your account for 28 consecutive days. And the other, education loan. If you are taking the loan from the nationalized bank, then it's okay. You need to show only the bank education loan letter. And if the bank is not nationalized, then you have to disburse the amount to your account, and then you need to wait for 28 days for the maturity for applying a visa. Let's talk about the amount. Suppose your tuition fees is 20,000 pounds and you have deposited 4,000 pounds before issuing the cash. So your remaining 16,000 pounds plus your maintenance cost. If your university is inside the London, the cost of living is 1,483 pounds per month. And if your university is outside the London, the cost of living is 1,136 pounds per month into 9 months. You can calculate according to, अगर आपका यूनिवर्सिटी इनसाइड में है तो आप उस हिसाब से कैलकुलेट कर ले, अगर आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी आउटसाइड में है तो उस हिसाब से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. प्लस आप 1,000 पाउंड्स ज़्यादा रखें अपने अकाउंट में just for the safe side. Next is TB test. There are certain university which will ask you before issuing the cash or unconditional letter, like Coventry University, Greenwich University, University of East London. So it's better you should have your TB test done when you get your unconditional letter. It has a validity of 6 months. Before moving further to the visa application and appointment, let's talk about the visa checklist. Here you can see all the documents for applying the visa. Go through and check each document you have with you or not. Now we have covered everything. We can proceed to the visa filing. Now you need to fill all the details carefully and make sure it matches with your passport and the cash letter. Next step, you need to pay the IHS fees, immigration health surcharge, which is 776 pounds for 1 year of your course. And if your course is 2 years, then you have to add another 776 pounds. Next, choosing the visa category. There are 3 type of visa category: standard, priority, super priority. अगर आपका कोर्स स्टार्ट होने में 1 महीना है तो आप स्टैंडर्ड चूज कर सकते हैं, which is 524 pounds and it takes 15 days to get your visa. And the other, priority and super priority, which takes 5 days for the priority and 2 days for the super priority. Talking about the cost of priority and super priority, which is the standard price plus 500 for the priority and the standard price plus £1,000 for the super priority. So after submitting, you will be redirected to the appointment page to book a slot for the biometric. There are two options. Either you upload all the document और जब आप अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए जाए उस समय आप स्कैनिंग करके अपलोड कर सकते हैं उनके द्वारा. This is all about the study visa process. If you need any help, contact us or you can visit the website greatwiseglobal.com for more details. Thank you so much.